Hi! My exam is finally over and I want to show you something fun. This is called squish ball. It became popular because Rosie from Blackpink said she likes to squeeze one whenever she's feeling stressed. And this is a keycap. It makes a really fun, satisfying sound when you tap it. I love listening to ASMR, so playing with it helps me feel relaxed. And it if you press this one, it makes the sound of ocean waves. I love it. And my finger my finger's getting better, but it's really itch as it's healing. I'm being careful not to scratch it, even though it's tempting. Uh, yeah. I'll be able to swimming again starting next week. It hurt a lot. This is my glasses. Sometimes I wear it, but not always. Anyway, I hope your day goes well. Bye!